Hello everyone. In this video we are going to have a look at DILR set from CAT 2022 slot 2. So first of all I will suggest you to take the screenshot of this data, solve this by yourself and then come back to explanation video. This is the data and these are questions. After this let's start solving this set everyone. So first of all read the data. A few salesmen employed to sell a product among households in various housing complexes. Each day, a salesman is assigned to visit one housing complex. Once a salesman enters, he can meet any number of households. However, if a household makes a complaint against the salesman, then he must leave the housing complex immediately, cannot meet any other household on that day. A household may buy any number of items or may not buy any item. The salesman needs to record the total number of items sold as well as the number of households met in each day. Success rate of salesman for a day is defined as the ratio of number of items sold to the number of household met on that day. There are three salesmen are there, T, H and L, and 2 particular days. The data about 2 particular days is given below. So the first statement says that over the 2 days all 3 of them met same number of households and each of them sold a total 100 items. Okay, on both days L met the same number of household and sold same number of items. Hold on. So now what we will do is let's form a table over here. What I will do, I will copy this data and the table is going to be like this. There are 2 days, day 1 and day 2, and we know that total number of items sold by each salesman over these 2 days is 100 items. So each and every salesman sold total 100 items on these 2 days. Second statement says that on both days L met same number of household. So let's say L met total 2x household. Out of those, X are visited on day 1 and X are visited on day 2. Over here we assume that total number of household visited by L is 2x. Out of those 2x, X goes to day 1, X goes to day 2. And sold same number of items as well. Total number of items sold 100. It becomes 50 and 50. After that, first statement says that all 3 of them met same number of household. If L visit 2x household, T also visit 2x household and H also visit 2x household. After that, H could not sell any item on the second day because the first household he met on that day complained against him. It means H visited only one household on day 2 and he sold 0 articles on day 2. It means all 100 articles are sold on day 1 by H, and on day 1 he visited 2x minus 1 household. So we're done with first 3 statements over here. The fourth statement says that T met 30 more household on the second day that on first day. So look here. Over here T met 30 household more on second day. So if I distribute 2x equally, it is going to be x and x. We want 30 more on second day. So what we will do is half of 30 is we'll subtract 15 from day 1, we'll add 15 in day 2. So the difference between number of visits will become 30 over here. And after that and the last statement says that T's success rate was twice of L's on first day and 75% of L's on the second day. So let's assume that the number of articles sold by T on the day 1 is A and on the day 2 it will be 100 minus A. So over here only fifth statement is remaining. So let's have a look at what fifth statement says. We'll delete remaining data. Fifth statement says that T's success rate was twice that of L's on the first day. On the first day, the success rate of T, the formula to find success rate, is equal to total number of articles sold divided by total number of visits. It is given in the paragraph over here. Success rate is equal to the number of items sold and the number of household met, the ratio of these two things. So T's success rate on day 1, it becomes A divided by x minus 15, which is equal to twice of L's success rate on day 1, that is equal to 50 divided by x. After this, T's success rate on second day is 100 minus 8 divided by x plus 15, which is equal to 75%, matlab 3 by 4 into L's success rate on the second day is 50 divided by x. So if we solve these two equations, we will get the values of A and X. So let's have a look at it. Let's get the value of A from the first equation. Hold on. The value of A is going to be how much? Or hold on, it will be, shall we get the value of A or value of X? So let's simplify this first of all. A divided by x minus 15 is equal to 100 divided by x. So the value of 100 divided by A becomes x divided by x minus 15. Or instead of this, the value of A divided by 100 is equal to x minus 15 divided by x. It means 1 minus 15 by x. So we can replace the value of A with this over here. So let's have a look at it. So over here, the 100 minus the value of A is how much? 100 into 1 minus 15 divided by x is equal to x plus 15 into 150 divided by 4x. So let's solve this equation. Let's take 100 common. If you take 100 common over here, what we left with? 1 minus 1 plus 15 divided by x is equal to x plus 15 into 150 divided by 4x. So over here, this is going to be 52s and 53s. This 1 and 1 will become 0. So this equation becomes 30 divided by x is equal to 3 into x plus 15 divided by 4 into x. So if we solve this further, what we will get? Let's have a look at it. This 3 tens out. So the value of 40 is equal to x plus 15. So if we solve this, we will get x is equal to 25 and put the value of x is equal to 25 over here. We will get the value of A. So what is that? If we put x is equal to 25, 15 divided by 25, 3 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5. That is equal to the value of A is going to be 40 over here. So this is how we can calculate the value of A and X. After this, let's have a look at questions. Hold on. The first question. Question number 1 is, what was the total number of household made by T, H and L on the first day? On the first day, the answer is x minus 15, 2x minus 1 and x. This addition is equal to how much? 4 times x minus 16. 4 times x means 100. 4 into 25 minus 16, that is equal to 84. After this, second question. How many items were sold by T on the first day? T on the first day, A. The value of A is equal to 40. Question number 3. How many households did L meet on the second day? The value of X, that is equal to 25. On the second day, L visit 25 households. So the answer is option 2. Question number 4. How many households did T meet on the first day? The answer is X minus 15. That is equal to 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. So the best possible option is option 4. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is false? Tori had a higher success rate on the first day compared to the second day. So hold on, if you look at all the 4 statements, we need over here success rate. So let's have a look at it. T, H and L. Day 1, day 2. The value of X 25, value of A 50. So the success rate of L, let's calculate success rate of L first, that is 50 divided by X. 50 divided by X means 50 divided by 25. That is equal to 2 and 2. After that, let's find the success rate of H. Over here it is day 2 is 0, day 1 is 100 divided by 2 times X minus 1. That is equal to how much? 50 minus 1, 49. Let's find the success rate of T. That is equal to T. The value of A is 40 divided by X minus 15, 10. That is 4. And over here, the success rate is going to be how much? 100 minus A. That is 60 divided by X plus 15. That is 40. That is equal to 1.5. So now statement 1 says that we need to identify which of the following statement is false. T had higher success rate on day 1, on first day compared to second day. So the first statement is true. The success rate of T is higher on first day than second day. Second statement is among these 3 people, L had lowest success rate on the first day. This is equal to 2 point something. So L is having lowest success rate on day 1. This is also true. Among the 3, T had highest success rate on second day. On second day, L is going to have highest success rate. So statement 3 is false. Statement 4 is among the 3, T had the greatest success rate. Yes, this is true. So third statement is false. That is why third option is our answer. This is how we can solve this set.